Teasing me.
What are you doing? I hate that.
You flipped them all up.
I don't know what to do when they're all up.
Are you still saying mama, or are you still saying no?
Can you say mama?
You say mama?
She's like,
I'm busy right now. Auntie flipped all these up.
She says, I've got to figure this out. I ain't got time to be saying mama. I got to figure this out.
There's one.
There's one.
Good girl.
Oh boy.
This is so annoying.
Two.
I'm definitely right-handed.
Yeah.
Don't get your finger in there. Hot. Oh, Auntie, why did you do this to me?
Can you push them down? Because they're not supposed to be up, apparently.
Oh, they say it's a real problem.
One more. Huh?
She sticks her leg up like, come on. I know it.
It's a real serious problem here. Oh,
One more.
almost.
Have you recorded her using the number?